Hello and welcome to Learning AutoCAD Civil 3D by Infinite Skills. My name is Seth Cohen and welcome to the course. In this video, we will answer the question, what is Civil 3D? So, what is Civil 3D? AutoCAD Civil 3D is a powerful civil engineering tool that creates smart relationships between design objects so design changes are dynamically updated. With this dynamic technology, everything from surfaces, alignments to corridors will be updated automatically based upon the relationships with their other objects. For instance, I have two model space viewports open. Let's go ahead and zoom into the profile view over here. And on the other viewport, let's zoom into this alignment. Let's go ahead and just select this alignment. Notice how you get a nice cool set of grips. And let's go ahead and move this horizontal alignment. Watch what happens to the profile view above. Notice how the existing grade line is changed automatically. This is because there is a relationship between this horizontal alignment, the profile view, and the grade that falls across the horizontal alignment. Also notice that the corridor model that we have created here is showing the links, but the corridor model is not updated. Let's go ahead and expand this here in the corridor section. Notice how it's telling us it needs to be rebuilt. Right-click, rebuild, and watch the corridor model automatically update and daylight to the appropriate locations. Let's look at another example of this. Let's take the top view and zoom into a cross-section, or a section view as it's called in Civil 3D, in this view here. Let's go ahead and zoom into the sample line that is actually used to project this cross-section across this section view. If I select the sample view, simply pick one of the grips and move it across the alignment, watch what happens to the cross-section view. It automatically shows you what exactly is happening across that area of the corridor model. So what is Civil 3D? Civil 3D is a very powerful and dynamic civil engineering tool that can be used in transportation, land development, and water projects.